Holy, it's a Woolies truck hit the pole, man. Holy.
Yeah, I took it out.
That was hectic. Alright guys, so we're heading down to Ambrose Burley to pick up a new SurRon X. Just rocked up at home. It's time to unload this box and crack her open. See what this thing's got.
Sing a day heat, bitch.
Alright guys, we are about to unbox this thing. Can't wait. Set you up on here with the mount and we'll unbox it. Alright guys, let's get this. This thing is strapped up well. Sweet. There's a shit load of cardboard in it. Let's have a look inside the box. So, there's a box of goodies. More cardboard. Leave that on. Pull that out by the looks. Now there's a battery in the bike, I guess. Pull the box of goodies out, put that on the table. Okay, might set the tripod up again and lift this off. Let's pull this box up. What do we got here? Oh, that looks sick. So we've got the front wheel strapped to the side, bit of paper behind it. Here's the battery. So the battery's around this side. Sweet. Well, that can't be the battery, that's way too light. Another box of goodies. We might take this wheel off. Okay, let's cut these zip ties off. Oh, just one. Nice, that must be hub spacers. This thing is mint. Just have a look at the back hubs. Black rims, black hubs, SurRon brakes. Need to change these pads over here. Little fender, front fender. Take this tape off. Look at this thing. Wow. Fastdays looks alright. So we got D&M rear shock. Fastdays forks. Okay. Weird combo. At least I got clickers. Unlike the scooter. Okay, let's take all this plastic off. Yay. Swing arm. Not a fan of the green stickers though. Might have to take those off. Doesn't ship with the Footpegs on the right side either. The battery's awesome. We need to get it out and charge them. So yeah, we have to unbolt that as well. Front fender. Put that up here. Dude, this thing is awesome. Let's unbolt this front and get it on a stand. What do you reckon? There, so we're going to take this. Oh, it's just hand tight. Nice. Take this handlebar off. We're going to put the bars on. There's a crap load of bubble wrap. Brake fluid all over that. It's not good. There's the throttle. What is it? SurRon. Don't know what brand this is. Plenty of flick, but feels pretty good. So there's a little zip tie around that. That's it. Take this plastic off. So there's 4 bolts here. So you definitely have to put the bars on first because I feel like the light would be fully in the road. In this box is this crazy looking fast charger. And in the SurRon box, what do we got? Some bolts, front number plate, Little key set. Oh, little tool set. Some clips. And a plug. Little 3 amp foam pad. D&M rear shock manual. SurRon user's manual. Okay, we're gonna take off this strap anyway. Fucking hell, it's tight. Christ. Take this one off too. My God. That is under some tension. So who knows how long. That poor shock. I think we're going to get the battery out now. Now we got the key. Charge it up. And the battery's open. It's not plugged in. Should be right to pull it straight out. Pull that way. Why is that tight? Nice. That thing's not so heavy. Put this stuff back in this box for now. Big guy here. That's nice. Far out. That's a cool battery. Fast charger. Got the Aussie plug. That's thick. That is a thick boy. Looks like it just has one mode. This big ass plug. That plugs right into here. And that's charging. 72%. Nice, came pretty charged. Let's get the rest of these bars on. Oh, dropped the light, Christ's sake. So these are going to have real far forward. About that. Get the maximum height out of them. So the key is you just got to center it. So this isn't the best clamp by the looks to center it. And tighten them all up gradually. Not sure how hard to do these, so I just do them pretty firm. It's in the star pattern. Sweet. Alright, bar set up. So we're going to take this bolt out and put it on a stand. Put the stand ready. So just wiggle it and lower it for a sec. Place that somewhere safe. I think we could pick this thing up. Whoa, it's light. Kick this thing out. Place it on there. That's a metal bash plate. That's pretty good. Boys, we need to have a look at this thing on the stand. My God. Is this thing nice or what? Let's take these off. Oh yeah, the fast tastes look pretty nice. They look okay. Look at that one. Maybe they put that on there. Maybe they put that on there for when they bolt it down, I don't know. This thing is so sick, holy. She's hard to push, hard to spin. So I believe that the bolts for the light must be in this bag. There's two washers on these, so definitely don't lose those. Place one down for the start. That's probably Alphabet Soup texting. Hope he gets one too. That'd be awesome. Fucking hell, I like chucking this light. So we'll put this on the Allen key. And And found its home. Sweet. So these two bolts are just on the side. The camera angle's shocking for them, but yeah, that's easy to mount. So far this has been a walk in the park. The bracket is a little bit wider than the light, which isn't bad because it's pretty small material. Alright, looks like my dog chucked a piss. I'll be back. So we'll put this pedal on. The other side's in the middle, so we'll chop this side in the middle. Oh yeah, so it goes in on an angle. Slippery gypsy. Wonder if we should put Loctite on this. Okay, so we got the foot peg on, boys, and we got a little helper. ZZ. You hungry, baby? Yeah, you are. Okay, we'll feed you first. Then we'll put the front wheel on. Come on, baby. Come here. Jump. Jump. Good jump. Sit. 3-6. Good girl. She loves it. Sit. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Come here. She's sweetie. Let's get back to the SurRon. Okay. Front wheel. Now. Actually, I've decided we'll do front fender first. So the bolts are in a separate bag. So we chuck them on. So they bolt up under here, 3 bolts by the looks. Oh yeah. They got little inlays to sit in the plastic. So we'll sit the back one in with a bolt. So we just sat one in there. I'll wind her in. So hold that puppy in. Nice. One. Okay, so we ran those in with our fingers, and I'll just tighten them up. That's pretty tight as well. Don't want these to roll out, hopefully they don't. Wonder if there's a SurRon bolts kit. These forks look alright. I love that colour, that's sick. Let's put this front wheel on it. So the front wheel has the 2 spaces for either side on it. They go that way by the looks. 1, 2. They're both in, and we'll just lean that up there. Now that bag that the 3 nuts came in from earlier, you're going to be putting that on as a glove. Use the glove, our trusty grease, so we don't get grease all over our hand. We're going to get a bit of grease on the glove. Now we've got grease on here, going to apply it to this so we don't get it all over our hand. So that looks like a pretty good amount. Probably going to take this front wheel off soon anyway, so just going to place that down in the bag. Pull this tab out here. Just going to try and widen the pads as much as I can before I pull it out. That looks pretty good. It's a pretty thin disc. This thing ready. Going to pick the tire up. Aim the disc inside the pads, and then I like to rotate it up and start sliding this through. That's alright, looks like we've got enough room. This is where that grease came in handy. Nice. Front wheel's on. Wow, she's severely front end heavy on a stand. Front tyre looks alright on this thing. Put this other one in. Now, I think we'll tighten them gradually with the included 19, I'd say. One thing I didn't do before, boys, is tighten these up. That was a novice mistake. Don't forget to tighten these up. And check your spokes too. Mine were all good. You want to check them again after the... Oh! Damn, dropped the camera. You want to check them after the first ride. So I just realised the zip ties would be for here, I'm sure. This is a bit rubbish, I don't know why that's so long. You get that? That needs to be rerouted through there. Well, one day when we take the headset off, we'll tuck that over there. But not right away. Probably during the week. Might hold off on these. Doesn't really seem to need them. Maybe I'll put one of my own zip ties on there. This battery charge is so quick. 100%. So let's drop it in and battery's in. Now, is that wire even needed? What even is that? Might just Google this quickly, boys, because it's definitely not needed for length. And that's the same one that goes on there. So that's like a test light or some shit. Let's see. Okay, let's turn this thing on. See if she goes. Speedo. It's on. Lights on. That's responsive. I think what I'm gonna do, take this ugly thing off. Probably the stickers. Don't really like them. Might keep that on there. Maybe try to put some of these stickers on here because I see that this rubs off from boots. That thing's definitely going. Leave the light, but that's ugly. So just a quick tip before you take this thing riding. I'm just doing the back sag. If you're doing it by yourself, you just hook the tape on down there underneath the swing arm. Measure up to the back corner at 600. And then you lean up against something, which I've been leaning up against that. And you do that same measurement. And you want like 2 inches or 50 mil. And what I'm doing is I'm tightening this, turning it clockwise. And what I do is I just grab the spring and the thing at the same time and squeeze them both and just turn it slowly. I've just been checking the measurements and it's been going towards 50 mil every time. Feels a lot better. Then I'll figure out how to do the front suspension and I'll show you guys that. Hey guys. Okay, so I managed to find one article online about these forks. So this is actually the spring leg and this is the rebound leg. That's your rebound and this is your low speed rebound, I believe, or low spring compression or whatever. So wait, yeah, that one there. Yep. So yeah, I turned that up 2 clicks and put that up almost to the top because it felt quite soft, but maybe I need to increase the other one and turn that one down. I end up messing around with these clickers until I sort of got happy with them. I end up with about 20-25 mil of sag. That's sort of what you want, maybe more towards 20 mil when you're just sitting on it on your neutral position. And yeah, stiffened it up a bit and got the rebound working a bit better. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. Like, this video went for way longer than I thought. I'm gonna put the riding footage in the next video. If you made it this far, if you're still watching now, comment Big Ron down below so I know who you guys are, because yeah, I really appreciate the people that watch the whole videos because it takes me ages to edit them. Yeah, I took the stickers off. This thing looks so much better now. And it went real good, so you'll see that in the next video. If the Cabo boys are around, I'm not giving up on that. I got the new part for it today, so I'm going to put it back together. Part 2's coming from the ride with a couple of videos of the broken part. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like on the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.